Okay, so online we've seen many people questioning the Lippert system, how the gauges seem to give the incorrect indication of how much water or grey water you have in the tank. This is ours currently, showing 3 red bars there. And I know for a fact that the tank is empty, if not almost empty. There's probably a little bit of residue in there, but I'll show you how to clean the sensor. So the sensor, what you got to do is you have to get into your grey water tank. Our grey water tank is here, so it's set up ready for it. You don't need any tools. It should be the nut that you got to undo should be hand tightened. So we'll go under and we'll find out. So this is my tank here, the grey water tank. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be undoing this nut here. This cord is the sensor cord that goes straight to the Lippert system. So I'll just put this down so you can see what I'm doing. And where I'm pointing here is the sensor. So it's purely hand tightened. Just show a bit clearer. So you untighten that. Like so. Want to jiggle it, pull it out. Sensor, and the sensors is out. As you see, there's a little bit of gunk on it. All you need to do is get a rag and clean that, which we'll do, and give it a bit of a clean. Make sure you give those sensors a good clean there. And that's all you have to do. So relatively clean sensor. Now we're going to insert it back in, same way we took it out, and I'll just get it started, and then we'll come back, because it's kind of hard holding the camera in one hand and screwing it in the other. So start it up. So it's simply a reverse process of screwing back in, putting all the bits and pieces in. Again, hand tighten. That's all that's needed. And voila! Sensor is now clean and refitted. That's all that needs to be done. Got old man's problems here getting up. So we're back inside now, and as you can see, the gauge has changed. So I realise there's going to be a little bit of water left in there, and that's all you have to do to clean the sensor. Majority of problems will be the sensor. I mean, if you clean the sensor and you find that it's not helping, might be something else, take it into Jayco and get it serviced. All in all, 5 minutes, done. Saves a lot of anal retentiveness, which I'm guilty of, looking at that system and knowing that you have an empty tank and it's not reflecting that. Hope that helps.